guys, Rob here with Flea Market Flipper to bring you the flip of the week. Actually, the flips of the week. Check it out. We got two. We sold them yesterday. Killer deal on these bad boys. I'll talk about them in just a second. But first off, I wanted to tell you guys, we are selling this stuff during the quarantine, during the lockdown, when you're not supposed to be able to do anything, when a lot of people are getting laid off, they do not have income coming in. We were still able to create this income. And this is just shy of $1,500 profit that we actually made on these bad boys that we were able to make in one day flipping. So I'll get to them. The one right back here on my left is actually an exercise bike. It came from a rehab center. Nothing wrong with it. I got it from a lady on OfferUp who they were just downsizing the rehab center, sold it to me for $100. We sold this bad boy for $1,000, including shipping. So amazing profits on that. Super stoked about that one. But all it is a sit-down exercise bike. Like I said, it's more for rehab. It's an upper body exercise bike. So like I said, $100 to $1,000, including shipping. So this one, we actually probably will have about $100 into shipping. So roughly profits on this are going to be between $700 and $800 profit. That's awesome. And then this other one back here is a insulation blower. So maybe you have an attic that they have that insulation that's up inside on the rafters. This is the machine that they use to do it. You dump insulation into the top. It's got a hose that comes out of the bottom and you run that hose up into your attic. Somebody's in the attic. They're spraying insulation or spraying that stuff as it's blowing it. It's got a motor, a pump in it that pumps that stuff up there through there. We bought two of these at one time from our local flea market. We paid $40 a piece for them, and I already sold the one about 2 weeks ago. That was one of our first sales on the original first lockdown that they did. This one just sold last night, and we sold this one for $750 with $300 in shipping. So total profits on this is going to be about the same. It's going to be between $700 and $800 once everything's said and done. Super stoked about those profits, but this is two flips that will net us almost it's just going to be shy of $1,500. So killer deal. Super excited about this, guys. If you guys are on lockdown right now and trying to figure out, I know a lot of people are laid off. A lot of people lost their jobs. Businesses are not moving right now. And you guys want to learn more about what this flipping game is. Check it out. We put another video together of some 5 good items to flip right now during a recession, a crisis, a quarantine, whatever you're going through. We sell these items on eBay because it reaches so many more people. So if you want to learn more about that, check out this other video. We'll put a post in here for it, and you guys can rock on that video. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. See ya!